Hello everyone, my name is Otniel Pratama, and today I'm going to walk you through my presentation about pronunciation leader project. In this presentation, I'm going to talking about two parts, and the part one is minimal pairs. First, what is minimal pairs? Minimal pairs are words that sound almost the same, but differ by only a sound, single phoneme, that resulting in a different meaning. And in this part, I'm going to give you some examples of words that has minimal pairs. First word, hit, 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 hit. And below the examples, I already give you the phonetics of each word. Okay, the second word, bad, 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 bad. The third example, yoke, joke, yoke, joke, yoke, joke. Okay, next we move on. The fourth word is ship, 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 ship. The fifth word, whole, howl, whole, howl, whole, howl. The sixth example, sun, sung, sun, sung, sun, sung. The seventh word is tint, tin, 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 tin. The eighth word is please, peace, please, peace, please, peace. And the ninth example is both, 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 both. And the final example is bear, B, bear, B. And you notice that the R is silent is because we are reading in a British accent. Bear, B. Okay, move on to the part two. And in this part, I'm going to talk about tongue twister. What is tongue twister? Tongue twister is a sentence or words that are intentionally designed to be hard to pronounce. It actually serves as a fun challenge game or as a practice tools for learning English language. And in this part, I already give you examples of tongue twister. And here is the sentence examples of tongue twister. And just like part one, in each the sentence, I already give you the phonetics of each word. Okay, we read it together. First word is, all I want is a proper cup of coffee. Again, all I want is a proper cup of coffee. Second sentence, made in a proper copper coffee pot. Made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Next, tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're no use to me. Okay, let's move on. If I can't have a proper cup of coffee, if I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper copper coffee pot. And the final sentence is, I have a cup of tea. Okay, we'll read it once again. All I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they no use to me if I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper copper coffee pot. I have a cup of tea. Okay, we'll read it once again and the final time. All I want is a proper cup of coffee. Next, made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Next, tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're no use to me if I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper copper coffee pot. I have a cup of tea. Okay, I think that's it for your presentation today. Thank you all for following through my presentation. Goodbye.